Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price is moving and how the gold price can move in the next week. See, if you look at the pattern, we can see that the price of gold is moving in a particular range. Okay, and from April it is continuously in uptrend. Okay, see, this is a down and after that it is in this particular range and now it's moving in an uptrend. It has made a low, okay, around 1677, and from there it has touched a level of around 1796 17. So if after, see, this is the particular range where the price of gold is moving, and from there it is moving upside. See the level 1677 is a strong support. 1677, once this level is break downside, we can see that there is a probability it can go more further low. So if it comes to the level of 1685 or around 1680, then we can see it can go further low. Okay, and this this trend line is break downside also, then there is probability. So if you have any doubt regarding your silver position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com. You can join my Telegram channel, link in the description. Please watch the full video, then only you will understand how it is working. See, okay, so attend workshop if you want to, and where I discuss in details everything. So if it goes above below 1677, then it can touch a level of 1789, and if it stays above that level, then we can see a level of 1796. Okay, and which is around month high. Once this level is touched 1796 and stays above that level, then we can see a level of 1804 to 5 also very soon. Okay, because it's a month high. Okay, 1796. So we can see further high if it stays above 1804 very soon. Okay, and once 1804 is achieved, then we can see that there can be a further upside movement, and which I have already explained in the last video. You can check the videos, okay, as well as I have explained in the details upside and downside in the previous video. So once this level is touched 1804, after touching a level of 1798, then we can see it can touch a level of 1815 also. See, the next resistance we can see around 1815. Once this 1815 is touched, okay, then we can see it can touch a level of 1823 also. Okay, see, but what you have to understand in this, that this is a downside, there 1677 is strong support. Okay, and if it goes above 1800, then we can see a level of 1814 to 15, and then 1827, and after that we can see a level of 1837 to 1845. Okay, once 1845 is touched, then we can see further see that it can touch a level of 1847. Okay, after crossing a level of 1835. See, look at this chart. Okay, because we can see a little uptrend in the price of gold. Okay, then 1854, and then from there we can see a level of 1869 also. Okay, but it has to stay above 1845. Once 1845 is touched, then we can see an uptrend in the price of gold. Okay, but what I have suggested for long-term traders, always remember, if you any dip, and there can be a good chance of buying a gold, but that is all my personal view. What we get, but for intraday or a trader, I would always suggest look at the resistance, support, and how the trend is moving, then only trade accordingly. Okay, see 1814. After 1814, we can see that there can be further an upside, which is around 18. Once 1814 is touched, okay, and it stays above 1810. See, why I'm explaining you this, that suppose you bought it at around 1800 and the price goes to 1814, you are in a profit of $14, and once this price comes down to 1810, then exit the trade for the day. Your quantity can be XYZ. This is a very risk management, I'm telling you. This one has to follow. If you're going for long, then I would always suggest 3, 5 or 10 years. Then you can, any dip you should buy gold. Okay, because we can see that there can be a rise in the price of gold after 3, 5 or 10 years, and investing for a long term is always beneficial. Okay, so this is, see, risk management I'm explaining you. Once 1800 starts and if you're on a profit of $14, your quantity can be XYZ, and if it comes down to 10, then you should exit the trade for the day, because risk management is very important when you trade. Okay, so once you are in a profit, and the once your profit comes down to 80%, then you should exit the trade for the day, because it is very important to save your money what you have earned in trading. Or if you made a loss of around, suppose your day limit loss, $100, $50, whatever it is, if you have done that, then you should exit the trade for the day, because exiting is very important. Because suppose you made a lot of $1,000, but once it comes to $700 $800, then you should exit it. See, if the price of silver, if the price of gold goes below 1777 and stays below 1766, then there's probability it can touch a level of 1750. And once 1750 starts, then we can see a level of 1732 also, and from there 1723, then 1710, and if it stays below 1710, then we can see further low of around 1698 to 1700, and once 17 is touched, then we can see a level of 1689. Okay, once 1689 is touched, then we can see it is coming close to our low of 1677. Once it comes to 1677, then we can see that there is a probability that it can break a level of 1677 also. But what we can see is that the trend is upside and a pattern is forming. Once this lines break downside, then we can see there can be a further low, and with a resistance of around 1745. So once it break, but we can see an upside if till the time this level is not break downside. Okay, so this is what we can see here, and a strong support around 1677. I would suggest a buying till the time it does not come below a level of 1760 or 1745. Okay, and I've already explained you the supports and resistance point. See, if it stays above 1769, then if it stays above 1800, okay, after crossing a level of 1789, then there's probability it can move and touch a level of 1800, 1804, and the upside I've already explained. So if you like the video, then please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Okay, thank you. So